cleft palate repair for this cutie. So this cutie is looking at her own pic. This was few months ago. How many months ago was this? This was about 6 months ago now. Was it lesser? July, so little more than 6 months. And now we're going to do the palate. And I'm going to be doing a muscle-based repair. It's going to be a 2-flap procedure. The kid who has got a little wide palate. You can also see here the alveolus was very far apart and the palate was really extending down. Now that we close the lip and the nose earlier, we're going to do the palate. Yes. Okay. This is probably going to take us an hour and a half. So the incision on the lateral side is a little asymmetric, as you can see. That was because the palate was very wide and also asymmetric, and accordingly you can see the flap on the left side longer than that on the right. All of these are anatomical variations. But we've got a nice muscle repair. I'm going to show you the newly constituted tensor and levator valley palatine muscle sling, good uvula, tension-free closure. Okay. So we have to make, you have to cry. So I used, hello baby. So for the moment you can take care the same way. Yeah. Sutures will be there for 1 more month. Okay. These are different type of sutures, not very slender ones like on the lip.
Yeah. Like that speech assessment, we have to come for that?
No. I'll let you know. Speech assessment can be done with any speech pathologist if we are having a doubt.
Okay. Like if we have a doubt that the way she pronounces.
Yeah, then. Otherwise you don't need to do anything. And you have to wait for 3.5 years earliest. Because before that nothing can be done, should be done. They take a while to start to speak. Yeah. Hello? Yeah, but you can let us know yearly once.
Yeah, we'll be in contact, not yearly. Every time we see her, we bless you so much. You know, tell you what you have done for this girl. Yeah. But last time, first one, when we had gone for the lip and nose surgery, she had pain, and the way she was cranky at the first time. Second time, it was a total.
Kanyakumari plate disposable plate.
Yes, second time, totally opposite. The pain was less and she was less cranky.